Meaning of horsemanship.
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 Horsemanship. Horsemanship is the art of riding and caring for horses. It involves a deep understanding of horse behavior, anatomy, and psychology, as well as the development of physical skills such as balance, coordination, and dexterity. A skilled horsemanship practitioner is able to communicate with their horse effectively, build a trusting relationship with them, and safely navigate challenging terrain or perform complex maneuvers. Horsemanship can also include the care and management of horses, such as feeding, grooming, and training. Overall, horsemanship is a comprehensive practice that requires both knowledge and experience to master.